A woman is still missing 2 days after being washed away in floodwaters in the New South Wales Hunter Valley. Emma Olsen joins us now from the Sydney newsroom. And Emma, you have an update for us.
Well, as rescue efforts by the State Emergency Service and police have been suspended for the night, they will resume around 7 tomorrow morning. However, it will no longer be a rescue, rather a recovery operation. Now, within the last 24 hours, there have been over 280 incidents across New South Wales. Around 200 have been storm-related, 12 with flood rescues. However, important to note, many of these for animals rather than people. Now, over the weekend, SES were responding to about 1,000 call-outs a day, so in good news, this number has significantly decreased. Emergency warnings have been issued for major flooding along the Namoi River at Gunnedah, with people in low-lying properties moved away. People have also been evacuated from Raymond's Terrace, with residents in parts of Singleton, Wee-Waa and Narrabri on alert to evacuate. Now, while there were blue skies across much of the state today, some communities are being advised to stay up to date with the latest warnings and information to avoid any potential danger.
Thank you, Emma.